Today I will cover how to install Pyspark in your local system. For Pyspark installation, there is some steps you have to follow and you have to watch this video carefully. If you make one mistake, it will not install, like that setup will be, everything will be wrong. So you have to carefully watch this video to install your Pyspark in your local system successfully. And I will provide one Word document like for link, like from where I am, from which link I am installing Java, Hadoop. Those things important because if the version mismatch happen, then your setup will be gone. Okay, like Spiceberg installation will be not successful. So for that, I will provide one Word document, and you have to just follow it. From there, you have to install everything. So in this document, every link will be mentioned from where I am installing Java, from where I am installing Pyspark, like Hadoop, those things, Python, and so you have to just install it from from this Word file. Okay, and don't, like, if I telling you that you have to install Java 3.7, sorry, Java 8, then you have to install only Java 8, not 12, not higher version, then it will not work. So let's start. So first I will install Java 8 from this link. I will copy paste this link in this description. So my system is 64 installed, 64 bit. So I will install this JDK 8031, this one. So I already installed it. I will done. So you have to download this version. So I already downloaded it. So JDK, this one, 64 version, 64 bit JDK Java version 8. Okay, now listen carefully. We have to go to our C, okay, C path in Windows, and we have to create a folder called Java. So like this folder, nothing is there, so I will just rename it. So I am creating a new folder called Java, and see, there is nothing is there. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to install that Java, and to go there, download. Here I downloaded here, so click it. So like this is not my personal laptop, that's why, because in my personal laptop already setup is done. So I am showing on demo here in office laptop. It is taking time to verify. Okay, so it will take time because it is my not personal laptop. Because in my personal laptop all setup is done, I don't want to uninstall it and they're gonna install it. So I am showing one demo in another laptop. So go to next and see, we have to install our Java in a specific folder, not this folder. This is the by default, this folder will come, so you have to change it. We'll change it and go back, and go back. C. So we have C, and we are created one Java folder. This one. Go there and click it. So I will install Java here. C Java. Next, then it will install automatically now. It's taking time. System is slow. I don't know why. Ah, okay. Next. Now Java is installing. So remember, we have to create a folder in C called Java, and in that folder we have to install Java, not by default folder C program files. Within C, we have to create a folder Java and we install it in that folder. Close. Okay. And then what we have to do? We have to set path in system environment variables. Go to system, environment variables. Okay, edit this. This is the problem of going. So now we'll go to this system. So we'll search edit system environment variables. Then we'll come here and go to this place, environment variable. Click it. Then what we have to do? We have to create one folder called Java Home. See, it is already exist. So what we'll do? I will edit it. So create a Java underscore home variable name, and you have to put a path. And what path? I'll say I'll like, so for like you have to put that variable value. So go to your Java folder where you installed. So C, and we are created one Java folder, and in this folder we are installed Java, and then go to GRE. So C Java GRE. So we have to provide that GRE path here. Okay, created Java variable and value will be C Java GRE. Okay, so now it is updated. Now go to this path, click on this path, edit, and click on new. So what you have to do? You have to do like this, write like this, Java underscore home. We are created that Java home variable there. So we have to put it that Java home variable here, and then again then slash bin. Okay, now okay it. So if you go this, now you can see this this Java home slash bin. So now Java setup is done. So what we did, we created one Java home variable and put a Java home variable, and we put our GRE path in this variable value, and then okay. Now it's okay. Java setup is done. If I go to CMD and search Java version Java version, okay, it is installed. You can see the Java version now. So if you are not able to see the Java version, you can restart your laptop. Sometimes it takes time to set up things. So you can restart it, and you can put this command. So Java is done. Now what we have to do? Java is done. Then see, like we will see this document. Java is done. Then what we have to do? So, we have to download the Spark 2.44 version. This I will I will share this document with you. No problem. So I already downloaded it. Go to download section. This is called Spark 2.4 Bean Hadoop 2.7. So Spark version is 2.4 and Hadoop version is 2.7. So we have to unzip it, but unfortunately I don't have WinRR. So what we'll have to do? We have to install WinRR. WinRR download to unzip that tar file. Download anything, any version. It's downloading. Download is done. Okay. So I have to one thing. This just so I have some restriction in my laptop. So for that I am facing some issue. But we are installed this. We are downloaded this WinRR. Now I have to install it. Okay. For that I will go to this WinRR and try to install. Now we will install it. Okay, done. So WinRR is installed. Now what we'll do? We'll try to unzip this Spark 2. This tar file. Before that, we have to create one variable. We have to create one folder. Go to C folder here, C path, and then create a new folder. So this is the one new folder. So I will just rename it to Spark. Okay, Spark. Now enter. Okay, we have created one folder Spark here. Now what we'll do? We'll go there, cut it, and go to the Spark folder and paste it, and then extract here. Okay, so it is extracted. Now what I'll do? I'll delete this, and now what I'll do? Go to this inside this folder and Control A and Control X. I'll cut it everything, and I'll paste outside. Okay. So if I go inside this, nothing is there. So what I will do, I will delete it. So now we are created one Spark folder, and then we are unzipped that tar file contents in this Spark folder. Okay. So you have to remember that we have to put that content of that file in this folder. Okay. Now it is done. What we will do now? We will go to our environment variables. Go there, and now you have to do same thing. You have to do one thing, like go here, create a new variable name, new system variable name. What will just and variable name will be spark underscore home. Now what will be the variable value? Go to this spark folder, and it will be the C spark, and put it here. Now okay, so it is done. We can see Spark home, we got C Spark. Now we have to go to path, edit, and click on new. Home. Before that, slash bin. Sorry, it will be small bin. Now it is done. Spark setup is done. Now what you have to do? Python setup. Okay. So go to download and click on this Python 3.7. Okay. Python 3.7. So I will provide you that link. So you have to download this from this. Like I will provide all of those links in this Word file. You can find this Word file in that like in description section. From there you can download. So this link, from there you can download your Python 3.7. Exact this version you have to download. Okay. Now we'll try to install Python. Go there. Python 6. This is Python 3.7. Now customize installation, and we'll see, and we'll click on this. Okay, add Python 3.7 to path and customize installation. Next, we'll follow this document. And you can back. Okay, no problem. Click like you have to check everything will be tick marked here. Next, did we okay, what do we, so check this document. Okay, everything is check. Associate, create, add Python. Then okay, now we have to be careful. We have to create one folder, and in that folder we have to install our Python. No, okay, not default. So if you can see, they are suggesting some default path, but we will not install in this default path. So what we'll do, we will go to our C folder, C directory, and then we will create one What is new folder? 1 minute. We have to call one new folder here. New folder, it will be Python. So we will install Python in this folder. Go back to our installation option, browse, go to this PC, Windows and Python folder. Okay, so now we are installing Python in this folder. Now install. So I have to verify my account for installation because this is my official laptop. So just be patient, guys. Okay, now click on this. Now installation is going on. Okay, I think installation is near to complete. Same, we have to do one thing. We have to create one system variable in that environment path. So we have to go there and we have to create one new system variable, and we'll like what will be the name of this. So what we'll do, for this we will give one name called Pyspark underscore Python. Okay, this will be our variable name. And what will be the value? Go there, it is closed. Now installation is done. We'll go to Python folder. And we can see this is the exe. This is the exe file. Okay, you can see application means exe, Python exe. So we have to provide that path of this exe file in that system variable. So we'll go there and I will try to copy. Is there any copy path is there? No, copy path is not there. We'll try to enjoy one thing. Okay. Properties. Security. Okay, we'll manually type it, no problem. We'll go there, copy it, and put it. Then what we'll do, we'll go again and see it is a small cap. Okay, python and .ext to run. So we'll go there slash p. Okay, just remember small python .ext. Okay, remember this Python. Then we have to give that path of this exe file. Okay, that's why we wrote like this. Copy. Okay, so Pyspark Python variable is set now. Okay, I will copy this variable name. Okay, now we have to go to path again, click here, edit, new, go to paste it, like so Python and then we have to put bean again. I think, let me check once again. Now, okay, no bean for it. Like this, we have to do Pyspark underscore Python. Like just we have to put variable name. Then okay. Then okay. So we Java home is done. Java Java home is done. Spark home is done. Python home is done. Spark Java Spark Python. Okay. I think this is the sufficient thing. We can go. So it is done now. Setup part is done. We'll go okay, okay, and okay. So I will check this document. Now it's done. Now we can go to CMD and check. I hope it will work. It should work. Now type Pyspark. Wait, I'm waiting. Yeah, baby, yeah. So Pyspark installation is done in local system. You can see in that CMD allow access. Okay, my unmade. So you have to allow this access. So for that, my like my system is I have in my system I have some permission issue. That's why it is showing like this. In your system, it will not. Okay. So now we can see Pyspark is successfully installed. We can see Python version 3.7 and Spark session is available as Spark. Okay. If you don't know what is session in Spark, we'll discuss it later. So you can see now that Pyspark is installed. Okay, Control D, I think. Control C. How to Control Z, sorry. Tell me the badge. Okay, why? Just open CMD again. Pyspark. Okay, there is some property we have to. It is saying that using. So don't have to worry about this warning. Okay. So it is unable to load native Hadoop library for your platform using built-in Java application. The Spark default this. Okay, don't need to worry about this warning. We can fix it later. So we have to find one utils.exe that we'll discuss later. Okay. Now also now I can discuss. No problem. So for this issue, I have to go this document. I already mentioned this. Mm, where is utils files? Utils. Okay. This issue. Okay. For this issue, what you have to do? You have to download this one. This from this link. Okay. You have to download this application. Go to yes. Go there and download it from here. Download it. Go to this location and copy it and go to your C folder and go to your Hadoop. Okay. Problem is we didn't install Hadoop, so we can install it later. Okay. Now we can install. You have to install Hadoop now. Java installed. Spark home bin. Okay. For Hadoop we have to install this one. For okay. Go to this drive link. We'll go there. We can avoid this also, no problem. Like we are getting on a warning. I have to fix. I am trying to fix this. You can avoid this, but I will recommend it. Just fix it. You can download it from here. Download anyway. So it is like this Pyspark setup is not a normal setup. When you try to set up these things, you will get error. So you have to fix it. And I also faced error initially. Then I tried to fix it and documented it so that you guys can set it up easily. So it is downloading. So for that we have to what they say, like we have to create a folder. So it downloaded, I think it is downloaded. Let me check one thing. So do one thing. Go to this your C. Go to your C folder and create one folder called Hadoop. Okay. Create one folder called Hadoop and you have to follow this naming convention. H will be capital, then other thing will be small. Hadoop. Then go inside this Hadoop folder and then create a folder called bin. So what I am doing, you have to follow this only, and you have to okay. Then you have to what you have to do? Go there. So we are installed. We are downloaded this application. Sorry, just cut it. So you and go to this Hadoop folder. It is Hadoop. Okay, go to this Hadoop folder and go to this bin and put it here. So in this, so we will create one Hadoop folder. Then inside Hadoop we will create one bin folder. Then we will put it this ex application here. So from this GitHub we have downloaded this, and now I think this error will go cmd. Open once again Pyspark. I hope that warning will go away. And now what we'll do, we'll try to install PyCharm. Okay, PyCharm community version, and click on this PyCharm. Okay, still now we are getting warning, no issue. You can ignore this. Okay, I'll try to fix this issue in another video, but no problem. Oh no, one thing, just I forgot to one thing. Okay, so you have to set this path. Okay, this error will go away. Just 1 minute. Go to this environment variables once again. Go to this environment variables, and that create a new, so not here, new system variables, and the name will be Hadoop home. Okay, Hadoop home. Variable name will be C Hadoop, that this one. Hadoop path. Okay, Hadoop home. You copy this. Okay, now you go to path, click on edit, just hold on a minute. Path. Just hold for 1 minute. Go to path. Okay. So for this, what have to go to path, and then create a new folder, create a new, and like this you have to do. Go to this slash bin. Okay, okay, okay. Now we'll go to cmd once again. cmd Pyspark. So now it will go away. Okay, now you can see this, it will go away. Will not get any warning, so warning is gone. Now what you have to do, we have to install Pyspark. So next we have to follow this document. What? So we'll follow this, everything, nothing we have to check, everything will by default. Next, what here you have to key, add bin folder to path and PyCharm, and add OpenAG folder. Next, install. This is installing. So you can see now that that Pyspark is installed successfully, and there is no warning. Okay, so you have to check one thing here. Go to environment variables, and you have to create those variable and part according this video. Okay, and you have to create this folder structure: Hadoop, Java, Spark, and that's it. Hadoop, Spark, Hadoop, Java, Spark, and Python. This one. Okay. Now it is installing. We will wait for a moment. Fast. So I will provide you. No need to worry, guys. I know this video is a little bit like sometimes it's stopping. Sometimes this video will be stuck because this system has some restriction. So I cannot record some portion of video because system is restricting me, because system has some permission issue. So I cannot record like every minute of this system. I will reboot later. Finish. So that's it. So I will provide one well I will provide one documentation, and I will write everything clearly so that you can follow it, and I will attach screenshot also. Okay, no need to worry. So I will give you step by step instruction and every screenshot so that you can follow easily. No need to worry. So I think our PyCharm community version is installed. We'll open it. Where is PyCharm? Okay, community version. Yeah, open. So if you want to write our Pyspark code in PyCharm, so you have to also install some library there. Okay, you cannot go you cannot go there directly and you can write Pyspark code directly. So you have to follow some step. You have to configure it first. Okay, and you have to install some extra libraries. Okay, continue. Now we'll follow this documentation. So I will create a new project. Okay, Python project, everything will be same. So we have to, the base interpreter is python.exe, but we have to create one thing. We have to go there and we have to see Python 3.7. Okay, Python 3. Okay, so it is okay. Now it is okay because it is directly taking Python C, python.exe, so it is okay, no problem. So by default it will take Python 3.7. Now create. I hope it is created. Python, okay. Python is created. Python project is created. Wait for some minute. It is getting virtual environment one. So now one main.py file is created. Problem with this, so every time they change their syntax, say their UI. That is one problem. Okay, right click, project, and now I have to find the thing. Click setting. Go to right click setting, then you have to go to interpreter. Where is the interpreter? Version control? Not here. Go to the document, project, with under project Python interpreter, project Python interpreter. Check. Okay, no, Python 3.7 is already selected, so you have to check this Python 3.0 is selected or not. Then we have to click on this add button, plus button, and we have to add some packages here. For that we have to follow this steps. So we will try to have Spark 2.4 this package. Okay, because we cannot download other version, because we have to match with our wait, it is reloading. You can see this package name Pyspark 2.44 version. So we'll search. Okay, just cut it. 1 second. Try to listen good. It is not showing, I don't know why. 2.4 it should work. I don't know why this Pyspark. If I want to add one, okay, numpy. So from my, I think I have some problem in this. In this PyCharm ID. This is a temporary issue. So what you have to do? Go there and search Pyspark, and while you try to enter Pyspark, it will show you some reference. Okay, Pyspark 1 2 3 something. So you will go there and you will choose this version called Pyspark 2.44. This version. You have to specify version also. So it is not coming now. I don't know why, but it will come. But generally it will come here. Okay. Previously I also do it like this, but now it is not coming. That's one pain point here, but I don't know why. Maybe some ID issue is there temporary. If I so I have to some restart, then I can try to install it. So like this you have to do. I will say this. Okay, I attach one screenshot here. Okay, you have to search Pyspark here, and you have to click this, and you have to choose this version 2.4.4, and you have to click this 3.2.1. Okay, specify version 3.2.1. So this one. So you have to click this, and you have to specify one version. That version will be 2.4, 2.4.4. By default it will give you 3.2.1, but you have to click this, and you have to install it. So then it is done. Also you can also, I think, install this py4j version will be this. So now this it will completed now. Okay, after the installation your PySpark setup will be done in PyCharm. I don't know why this is not coming. So now check my, now once again I will try. Go the project and go to settings. Go there, go there, go there. 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me check once again. This new UI like problematic for me. I'm not able to find settings. Where is the settings here? Settings. Where is the settings? I think here. Go to view, edit file, not like this. Go to settings. To go there, then settings. Go to Python interpreter. Go to project, Python project Python interpreter. Click it. Last try. Pyspark. It should come, but it is not coming now. Okay, I have to maybe wait. God, please come. Okay, now it is came. So I think okay. One thing I so you have to refresh this after entering. You have to refresh this. That's why it is not coming previously. I think so. And Pyspark is came and click it and go to our version. Go down. Go down. Go down. Go 2.2 4.4. We have to install this specific version because this version will match with our Hadoop version. Sorry, Hadoop version. What we can say that Hadoop version. So we have to install this specific version. Then we can match with our system and our Python version. So try to install this package. Also, I have to install one thing. Py4j. 4j. So this latest version is okay, no problem. Click on this, touch installing. Also, you can download your required package. Like if you want to install Peep, then you can install Peep here and install package. Okay, now like you can do after. So you have to remember two things. Here you have to do one thing. This i4j, this and this. If okay, just you have to refresh it. Why it is not coming? It should come. Pyspark. Okay, let Pyspark. Pyspark. Go there. PHP version. Do this option. No, nothing. It is installing. Still installing. It is taking time to install. Wait. So it is taking time to install. Wait, no problem. So now everything is done. We set up our Pyspark in our local system. That is done. You can see here, and also we fix our warning. Okay, and also we are setup is done for like if you want to write Pyspark code in Python. For that you have to install some library that also done. So now the Pyspark is installing. It will take some time, and then that's everything is done. Now we can write our code. So uh, for this video, this is the that's it. We can also I can show you how to install Scala. If you want to write code in Scala, we can also install Scala here. Okay, Spark using Scala, that will show in later. Okay, because our focus will be PySpark. So in this series I will try to cover every concept of PySpark. Okay, now you can see package Pyspark is installed successfully. So this package is required when you try to write Pyspark code in Python. Okay, now we can see this Pyspark is 2.4 version. This version is, remember, we have to install this version only. Okay, because this version is compatible with Python 3.7 and those Hadoop we are install those things. You can see now. I can show you now all these things. This Spark this for so for those things we have to maintain version. Okay, if you install different version then it will not work. So we have to like we have to carefully install specific version, because you can see that Scala 4.7, those things we have to every time we have to maintain those versions. Like it is not like with Python 3.8 you can run Pyspark 4.4. No, there is some restriction, so you have to follow those things. Maybe it will run, but you have to follow some condition, follow some restriction. So some Python version is compatible with some Java version, like this. So you have to follow those steps carefully. We don't have to take risks on settings, because this I think this setting part is difficult. Otherwise that Apache like Pyspark is easy. So I will cover every concept of Pyspark, okay, from beginning to high level. So stay tuned for this video. For this video, that's it. So I will now try to, now you can write your code. Okay, like I will show you how to start coding. Okay, so for in this video we already, the Pyspark installation is successfully done. Okay, you can see this Pyspark is also in CMD. You can also write code, Pyspark code. Now also you can write in your Pyspark in our Python. So generally we'll write our code in Python. Okay, so our setup is done. From next video we'll try to learn Apache Spark concept. Okay, also I'll share all those documents below. Okay, you can check the description. I will find links. From there you can download this video, this document.